In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell both physical and digital products using Squarespace. If you're ready to turn your website into a storefront, you're in the right place. We'll take it one step at a time, guiding you through the entire process to ensure your products are ready for your customers. First things first, head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log in with your account. It's important to make sure you're in the right place to manage your store. So go ahead and select the site where you'll be selling your physical and digital products. Now, once you're on your site's main configuration panel, look for the menu option labeled Products and Services. Give it a click to dive into your product management area. You'll see a Products option. Click on that. You're doing great so far. Now, to add new products, locate the Add Product button situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring up a pop-up with more options for product types. We'll start with selling physical products. Take a moment to select your store under the physical product option. You may have two choices here, shop or services. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and then click Continue. You'll be taken to a page where you'll enter all the necessary details for your product. Begin by adding a product name. Make sure it's clear and precise. Next, craft a detailed product description. Explain what the product is, what it does, and why it's beneficial for your customers. Remember, a good description can be the key to convincing someone they need your product. Once that's done, it's time to upload images. High-quality, well-lit images that showcase your product from different angles are crucial. They give potential customers the visual context they need. Immediately after, set a competitive and reflective price for the product. After all this information is entered, locate the Save drop-down menu and click Publish. Just like that, your physical product is live for customers to purchase. Now, let's switch gears and talk about selling digital products with Squarespace. For digital products, find and click the Download option. Fill in all relevant information for your digital product, using steps similar to those for physical products. Again, choose between Shop or Services, and click Continue. When it comes to naming your digital product, clarity is key. Provide a concise and accurate title. Then, just like before, write a persuasive description of what the customer is purchasing. With digital products, images may be thumbnails or graphical representations, so make them count. Upload the actual digital file that your customer will purchase. This could be anything from a PDF to software. Lastly, set a price for your digital product. And for a bit of extra organization, you can add categories and tags to make your products easier for customers to find, though this is optional. After you've filled in all the necessary fields, click Save and Publish. Now your digital product is live and ready for your customers. And just like that, you're set to sell both physical and digital products on your Squarespace site. Congratulations on taking this step in your e-commerce journey.